how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up your Venmo, and after that go to the settings of Venmo, then select the option of payment methods. After that, click on the option of add bank or card. Now select the option of bank in case if you don't have the Cash App card, and this way you would be prompted to verify your account. Now select the option of verify manually, and after that you would be requiring routing number and account number. Simply open up your Cash App after that and go to the home section. And on home section, when you scroll down, you will be able to find the option of direct deposit. Simply click on it. After that, you will be able to find your routing number and account number. Simply put it on Venmo and verify your account. And Venmo says that there will be two deposits and withdrawals in order to verify your account. After that, you need to open up your Cash App history, and for that just simply click on the option of bottom clock icon at the bottom right hand side corner. So in your history you will be able to see the transactions from Venmo, and this way you would also be able to see the verification message from Venmo. Just simply select the amount from your history and paste it on the Venmo in order to verify your account. For that, just simply open up the bank accounts, and there you will be able to find the option of certain bank. Cash App is usually shown as certain bank on Venmo. Simply select it and click on verify. After that, you will be able to verify Cash App. Now click on the option of manage balance. This way you would be prompted to click on the option of transfer to bank. After that, click on either instant transfer or select the option of 1 to 3 business days. This way you would be able to transfer the money from your Cash App to Venmo, and that's how you do it. You can also select the option of instant transfer if your account is already verified on Venmo, and this way you would be able to transfer the money quite easily from your Cash App to Venmo within few seconds. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.